Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete a WordPress website on Bluehost. First, log into your Bluehost account and go to your dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click on Websites. Here, you'll see a list of your websites. Find the WordPress site you want to delete and click Settings below it. Once you're in, click Settings again on the Site menu. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see three delete options. First, delete content only. This removes your website's content but keeps the WordPress setup in place. Second is delete site permanently. This completely removes your website, including the domain configuration and all its content. This action can't be undone. Third is to remove WordPress. This uninstalls WordPress from your site but keeps your domain and hosting active. It is useful if you want to rebuild your site using another platform. If you want to delete your website entirely, hit Delete Site Permanently. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to type in your domain name. Go ahead and enter your domain, then click Delete to confirm. To remove WordPress, just click that option. Check the acknowledgement box and then click Remove WordPress to complete the process. And that's it. You've now successfully removed your WordPress site from Bluehost. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides.